Yeah, so by now, no matter where you're at in the country, you've heard about the Texas drought. And I'm here to tell you it's all about perspective. It has not stopped raining for 48 hours since my last video ended. And I was cooking, flooding, pouring. We're getting an entire year's worth of rain in 2 days, and now we are caught up. Better not hear any talk of a drought in Texas. Hey everybody, Eric here from Nomadic Fanatic. I hope you guys are doing well. I will be uploading this video with some Nomad Internet. Link below in the video description. I'm glad Texas has had a pretty nice, dry year, but gonna make up for it right now, I guess. And I'm just trying to stay in a positive attitude because I came down here to this part of Texas to enjoy and spend the Thanksgiving holiday with my sister and my mom who moved down here. So. But however, had I known that we were going to just get the entire year's worth of rain in a couple days here, I don't think I would have done it. Because this has been really, it's been emotionally straining for me. And I tried to just kind of deal with the cards that I'd been given in my last video as far as the cooking video. Figured people would just understand that I'm going to do things a little bit differently because I'm kind of forced to stay inside. Turns out from a lot of the feedback, that's not the case. People did not like that. Sorry, I didn't really have much of a choice, and I still don't have a choice. I'm just living my own life the best way I can, and I'm being brutally honest with you guys. So anyway, it is pouring like crap, and I am going to get out of Livingston today anyway. It's like 10 a.m. I gotta be out by noon. I gotta hook up Tater Tot in the pouring rain, flooding out there, and the grass where all of my cords and everything are at that's flooded. So I'm gonna be in a really grumpy mood by the time I get all hooked up and out of here and have to take a shower and clean up and everything. It is just miserable. There is no drainage in Texas. It just cannot handle the entire year's worth of rain like this. So anyways, I did have a bunch of Houston plans. So hopefully we can get to that eventually. We got to see what's going on with the weather right now because this is a lot of rain.
3 hours later.
Actually, guys, I changed my mind. I'm going to stay here an extra day. After all, I just don't feel like dealing with it. It is kind of letting up a little bit here. That's nice. It's not supposed to rain tomorrow nearly as much, so many of the roads and driveways and grass is going to clear up, but let me show you some stuff I got. I still collect Mickey stuff. I'll show you that real quick since we're going to stay here. Yeah, so this first batch here, this was actually just sent to me from my buddy Josh there in Texas. He thrifts a lot, and he is my main collector contributor besides myself, so we got the old school. And I will also say that everything here I've never even seen before in my life, didn't know any of this existed. So an old school hard Mickey chilling on the beach dinner placemat there, vinyl Mickey surfing cooler, another red Mickey hat to add to my hat collection. There's a baseball Mickey, a Wilton cake decorating kit that has the tin inside to make the cake, an old school Mickey Mouse birthday party song collection hit in its original plastic. Very cool. Here's Lifeguard Mickey and very, very old school Mickey Mouse. It does have the Disney logo on him on the back, but no year. I don't know what year this particular one is. I'm still going to be collecting. Thank you, Josh, for the presents, man. Really, really cool. And then I did some collecting of my own while I was in Livingston there. I found a really neat antique store, although I had to scour the store. This is a very old Mickey Mouse with some cloth shorts. No year on that guy. And this frosted Mickey Mouse, almost a Dapper Dan cup there. Very cool. This one here, I love this. It's actually a limited edition Jelly Belly ceramic tin here. Very cool. And I do want to mention that on the bottom, it does have a year. It does say 2013 there. So this, I mean, those of you who know Disney World, the new gondolas, doesn't this literally look like a gondola ride? But, you know, they didn't open those until 2019, so this happened, what, 5 years earlier. It looks like some of the inspiration for the design of the actual gondolas in the Walt Disney World Park. Pretty cool. I got a magnet, and boy, this is a really old magnet. It's a rubber magnet. Pretty sad. All we have is my Oklahoma magnet, so we'll add Mickey. Actually, we'll put Mickey right there. Oh boy. And then lastly, this little $2 stuffed guy in a bag of Mickey. Pretty random, pretty weird, and I don't know a whole lot about it except on the back it has a Kellogg's tag there. I was wondering if this was a toy from like a really old box of cereal. I mean, it's possible. I got to do a little bit more research. Oh, it also has some other writing. It says, "What will you celebrate Disney parks?" I don't know about that one. But yeah, I am still collecting. Opie knows what's going on. Then my friend Jenny from Missouri sent us a little kitty care package. Tara's going to have to come check it out too. Some core tiny taster. These are the pate little packets that they love. Some other treats. Look, you got a new purple Kong groomer. You love these groomers. They got the soft sides on them. Here, we'll open that one up. Opie, you love this one. Say thanks, Jenny.
Man. Oh, okay, you're right. I do. I'm going to start drooling.
Yeah, you are. Ems loves it. So soft. Because, like, the dog ones, they're really rough. And, you know, they're almost painful to the kitties. This one's just really, you know, rubbery and soft. And it does pretty good. Oh, more? He wants more. Okay, thank you, Jenny. Yeah, it's good stuff. We got some, what is this? Nacho grain-free pate. Never heard of that. Some corn as well. Looks like she wants us to try some Royal King Calm food there. What's this? What's that? Oh, look at this, a blue one. Is this one supposed to be yours and Tara gets the purple one? Maybe that's what that's supposed to be for. Does the blue one work too, Opie? Let's go try it on, let's try the purple one on Tara. Get this stuff off there. Tara, it's purple. You like purple, Tara? Jenny wanted you to try it.
Man, get that off me.
Come here, you monster. She'll try it later. Well, they both definitely love the core tiny tasters. Is that your favorite, Tara? Yeah, is that your favorites, guys? Alright, you eat them ups. I'm a little worried about my plug literally almost laying in water right there. It's a really bad design. All of their electrical boxes are almost on the ground anyway. And I mean, the box is waterproof, but you know, you got this cord that I've been worried about with all the standing water. I guess you just have to have faith in that circumstance. There's nothing else I can do because the plug to plug in is on the bottom of the box anyway. So I'm not really sure how to get around that, but I decided I wasn't gonna leave it. I got this bungee that I keep in the smart car, so I draped it around the handle of this to get the whole box off the ground, and then it goes in, because the plug's right here on the other side. It's really low to the ground. Now this connection right here is not sitting in a puddle of water here. So I feel like that's a little better. Thanks again, Jerry, for the surge protector here in these thunderstorms. It's definitely a good idea. We haven't lost power yet, but there's always a chance that you can lose power out here in these thunderstorms, so cool. Anyways, guys, all right, well, I talked to my family. They know I'm gonna be there tomorrow instead of today, and I'm just gonna chalk this one up and say we all have good days and bad days, right? Today was a moist day, and I'm over it. We can, if this continues any more longer, then my whole Texas idea is off the table. I'll have to do Houston some other time, but for right now, still on for Thanksgiving. I want to wish you all a wonderful Thanksgiving with your friends and family and your loved ones and whoever you're with. From Opie and Tara and I, we'll probably still see you Friday with something, whatever happens. All right, bye guys.